Hello everybody. Today I want to think about two words that can be confusing for people. I want to think about want and won't, like will not. First, let's think about those sounds. In the middle of there we have on. Can you say that? On, it's up here somewhere, on. And also no. No, you might be able to feel that in there a little bit. No. No. So we have on, and no. On gives us on, want. So we have on and want. This is the pronunciation of the word want. Like I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea. On, want. No gives us the word won't. So we have the word no. We have the word no, like this. No. And we take the O from there, and we have won't. No, I won't. No, I won't. So we have want up here, and won't. In the next video, we're going to put those in a bit of context so we can use them and we can hear the difference, because the context and the pronunciation in context makes a big difference. Have a look in the next video. We're going to think about I want to kill you and I won't kill you. I want to kill you and I won't kill you. There's a big difference. Hello! In the last video we looked at the words want and won't. Want and won't. And now we're going to look at those in a bit of context if they're followed by a verb, because they can seem quite similar. But here are the important differences when we're pronouncing them. Look at this. I want to kill you. So I is pronounced ah. This t is pronounced once. And we have a schwa linking this to make tuk. This is an important difference because this t is not in the other one. So we get I want to kill you. I want to kill you. With this one, as we know, negatives are always stressed. Negatives are always stressed. Always. So we have won't. So this gives us I won't kill you. I won't kill you. I want to kill you, I won't kill you. I want to kill you, I want to kill you, I won't kill you. Maybe one day, this information might just save your life. For more pronunciation tips, have a look again. Bye bye.